I'm Brian Counter. I'm Technical Director of the PWI, which is the national organisation in the UK for rail infrastructure. This is one of our Practical Trackwork challenges. We're at Butterley in Derbyshire, and we've got a huge number of companies here. We've got delegates here who are learning the railway from a practical perspective.
Part of our engagement today with the guys is really around compound solutions and sustainability and what we can do as a group supporting the guys on site. The rail teams are really important with the work that they're doing, a lot of remote work and difficult places to get into, and our aim is really to try to show them how we can team up and how we can work on many solutions, and also around the type of equipment that we supply back to site that'll help around sustainability, be it battery solutions, power solutions, accommodation solutions and so forth.
The Trackwork Challenge is essentially a training event that we put on for people who've just started into the rail industry or have limited experience in the rail industry. And what we do is we carry out some live track renewals, live maintenance out on the Heritage Railway, and allow the delegates to get involved and experience a live working environment.
Really key that we sort out the welfare for site compound. It's a key part of the fatigue index and ensuring that people have support on site and facilities that are fit for purpose.
It's great to have everybody here, great to have all these companies, but it's even better to have everybody working together but developing young people to be part of our new railway.
The more collaborative we can be around the table, the better and more successful we'll be as a team.